Good morning, student. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academy Ambala. Today I, Arun Sani, brief about AI project cycle. AI project cycle means artificial intelligence project cycle. There are 5 stages in the artificial intelligence project cycle. Number 1, problem scoping. Problem scoping means after deciding the aim, what exactly we need to do, what kind of problems we are facing while completing our task. So those problems we have to rearrange in a sequential manner to resolve one by one. That is known as a problem scoping. Just like as if I need to construct a house, what kind of raw material I need, what is the square area of my house, so what kind of obstacles we are getting during to construct my house. So resolve these issues. That is a problem scoping, number 1. Number 2, we have data acquisition. Acquisition means to acquiring a data from various sources. Just like as I already considered example of constructing a house, like from where I need to get a sand, from where I need to get bricks, from where I need to get the rest of raw materials to construct my house. That is data acquisition. It means acquiring of data as per the aim, as per the requirement. The point number 3, we have data exploration. Now, data exploration means I need to explore my data. Explore my data means I need to arrange my data in a uniform manner. So accordingly, I can conclude whatever I need to do. Just like as I'm talking about a construction of a house. So firstly, I need a bricks, I need a cement, I need a sand. This is what a uniformity. Whatever I need, accordingly, I can put one by one the things. That is data exploration. It means I need to put my data in a uniform manner. The point number 4, modeling. Now, after the 3 stages, the modeling means start implementing the data. Start implementing the data, whatever my project is. So accordingly, I'm start implementing raw materials, whatever I already acquired, whatever the uniformity I have, and whatever the things I need to use the step by step. That is a modeling. Modeling means I am start building my house, I am start building my project, and once again I repeat, the modeling means to start building the things. And the last stage we have, number 5, evaluation. After completing a task, I can check. The evaluation means the testing purpose, because in artificial intelligence, whenever we are going to make any kind of project, after completion of the project, I cannot directly launch in the market. Before proceeding towards the market, firstly I need to make a test of my project as many as possible, because before proceeding towards the market of my project, I need to test my project again and again and again and again, because it is an image building of an organization from where the project comes from. So after completion of these all 5 steps under the artificial intelligence project cycle, my project is going to be launched. So that is an AI project cycle, and this is all about the stages we need to follow up while completing a particular project, any kind of it is. Either it is related to a normal projects we are going to make in the real life, either I am going to make a artificial intelligence machinery kind of any kind of projects we are going to make. So this is all about the artificial intelligence project cycle. Thank you so much. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you once again.